Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I did my intros a little bit different. I'm hoping it's not too weird, but anyways, we are doing this pretty ocean halo look, something like that. And we're going to be starting off with doing our brows, and for that we're going in with the Profusion palette brows, and we're going to be slaying them eyebrows. Oh yeah. I hope everybody's having a fabulous day. Next we're going in with the LAgirl Pro Concealer in the high definition, and we're going to be putting that all over our eyelid. Then we went in with the Profusion's Wanderlust palette. Ooh. I have been so in love with Profusion lately. It has been ridiculous, and I'm actually getting them to notice, and it's, oh my god, I'm like a kid in a candy factory. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. I know I was kind of MIA there for a little bit. I've been going through some things, but I'm through it, and we are back to slaying the world. For that concealer, I did take the same LAgirl concealer, and we are going to be creating that halo look, and we're just putting that kind of in the center of our eyelid base. Next, we went in with the Profusion Spectrum palette, and we are going in with this pink. Oh, it's so pink. I love this palette. Their Spectrum palette is absolutely amazing, and I think it's one of their highest sellers as well. Then I went in with the TashCosmetics FairyTales palette, and I have a code for that. It is HILTON. I'll leave that in the description. And we are going to be laying that all over the center of the base of the halo that we created. I also used the Spectrum palette as well, but I forgot to put that footage in. Then we went in with the NYX glitter liner, and we are going to be putting that on top of the crease. And now we're going in with my favorite facial moisturizer. Oh my god, I love it. Then we took the TartCosmetics Tartiest eyeliner. It's actually a double-sided eyeliner, but, you know. Then we went in with the Bye-Bye. You can't say that without trying to sing in sync. Bye-Bye foundation by ITcosmetics. This is my favorite foundation ever. I've been using it, and I'm going to need to get more soon. It does have a glow, but I do usually get rid of it with this pretty Vulgar. Oh my god, I have a hiccups. OMG. Pretty Vulgar setting powder, and it gives us a really nice matte look. And then I went back in with that blue that we used from the Spectrum palette, and we're darkening up our waterline. I am so happy with how this halo look turned out. Then we took the Maybelline Define-A-Line eyeliner, and we're darkening up the waterline again. Then we took the ITcosmetics Superhero Mascara. Yeah. And then I went in with the You Fancy eyelashes by KGloGlam. I do have a code for that, and I'll leave that in the description. And what can I say about BHcosmetics highlighter? I use it almost with every makeup look that I do. It's never any different, so. Then we went in with the ColourPop Ultra Matte, and I think this is, I can't remember what it's called. Darn it, I'll have to look it up. But I love ColourPop's lipsticks. They're amazing. Oh my gosh, and look at that look, you guys. It is absolutely gorgeous. And that's it, you guys. This is the final look for this makeup and this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I did. I got very giddy about it. But if you like this video, go ahead and leave me a like down below or subscribe, whatever you guys want to do. And yeah, I'm not sure what else to say other than just keep watching for my other videos that will be up.